In the next 60 seconds, you'll learn how to get the most out of this Microsoft Interactive course.
To start, double-click a unit, lesson, or topic in the table of contents.
Use these buttons on the dashboard to stop, pause, or play. Use these buttons to jump ahead or jump back within a topic and to move between topics.
These buttons link you to more information, such as glossary definitions, tips, additional reference material, and help.
You can take lessons sequentially, or you can train on individual topics as you need them. For a searchable index of the entire course, click the Find Keyword in Index button, then click a topic in the list to play.
You can also create a personalized list of topics with the Add Bookmark button. Click the Show Bookmarks button to see your list of favorite topics, then click a topic to play.
We hope you enjoy learning with this Microsoft Interactive course. For more information on using Microsoft Interactive training, be sure to see Product Help.